A very warm wishes to all. My name is Hassam Ali, and today I'll give my presentation on the topic Edelweiss Financial Services Limited. And in this presentation we'll talk about the NCDs which the EFSL is gonna release. That NCDs is the non-convertible debenture. So in this particular presentation we'll also look forward to understand have the meticulous analysis of the non-convertible debenture. We'll see what non-convertible debenture is and what are the details that has been listed within this EFSL 2021. So moving to our first slide. So here is the table of contents we are gonna have. At the initial we're gonna discuss about the introduction, and at the second stage we'll see all the listing details that the Edelweiss Financial Services Limited has been providing, and at the last topic we are gonna see the financial analysis and we'll try to do the valuation of the NCDs, that is the non-convertible debentures. Moving to our first part of this presentation. An introduction. So this Edelweiss Capital Limited, that is ECL, was conceived as a public limited company on 11th of November 1995. Now the company is one of the India's fastest growing integrated investment banking companies. The group services include investment banking, institutional equities, private client broking, asset management, wealth management, insurance broking, wholesale financing and mutual funds. ECL has built strong corporate, institutional and investors relationships backed by a research driven approach and a proven ability to capitalize on emerging market trends. So this was all about the company. It was an introduction of the related to the company. So in this particular slide we are gonna look into the Edelweiss Financial Services Limited December 2021 company's financials performance as per the NCD's prospectus. So we are gonna see the sales for the company. We can see it has been drastically increased from 6,604 to 10,775, and as well of we can see the operating gross profit for the company. We can see a gradual increase from the 6,564 to 10,287, but after 1 year it fell down to 2,000, that is to 8,647, and again it increased to 9,074. So as well as we can see the gross profit is there, operating expenditures has been there, operating profit, others income, interest, profit before tax for this company we can see like 943.21 to 145.62. The taxes for the company is also given, and we can see the earning per share, like it has been from 7.22 to 2.98. So these are the complete company's financial that you can even see look into this particular slide. Moving forward to the next slide. So basically let's talk about what is NCD. So the NCD, that is non-convertible debentures, are fixed income instruments usually issued by a high rated companies in the form of a public issue to accumulate long-term capital appreciation. They offer relatively higher interest rates to 8,647, and again it increased to 9,074. So as well as we can see the gross profit is there, operating expenditures has been there, operating profit, others income, interest, profit before tax for this company we can see like 943.21 to 145.62. The taxes for the company is also given, and we can see the earning per share, like it has been from 7.22 to 2.98. So these are the complete company's financial that you can even see look into this particular slide. Moving forward to the next slide. So basically let's talk about what is NCD. So the NCD, that is non-convertible debentures, are fixed income instruments usually issued by a high rated companies in the form of a public issue to accumulate long-term capital appreciation. They offer relatively higher interest rates when compared to convertible debentures. What are the types of NCDs? Types of NCDs, if we have to really talk about, it is been divided into two parts, that is a secured NCDs and unsecured NCDs. The secured NCDs is basically a secured NCD is one that is backed by a company's asset. In case the company fails to pay, investors can claim payment through liquidation of assets. So this is the NCD, that is the secured one we have, and the second type we have is the unsecured NCDs, which is an unsecured NCD is one that is not backed by any company's asset. I mean, like there is a kind of security. There is no security is being given under the unsecured NCDs we have. As a result, they are riskier than secured NCDs. So Edelweiss Financial Services Limited December 21. Here is in this slide all the bond details has been placed. Like the issue price, the opening date is of 6 December 2021, closing date is of 27th of December 2021. Tenure is of 120 months, like 3 years, 5 years, and then 10 years. We have coupon rates is been 9.70%. Minimum bid is of 10 lakhs. Into thousands of multiples we have frequency, it's like annual face value of 1000 rupees. We have all these bond details over here. So moving to the financial analysis and valuation, since this is a medium risk moderate returns investment, make up to 20% of your high yield allocation to this NCD, it is recommended to exposure to only 3 and 5 year NCDs, not to 10-year one, as we already have discussed that this NCDs has been provided into 3 segments. The one is of 3-year segment, 5-year segment, and 10-year segment. So the 3 and 5 year can be a very good one choice and not the 10-year one. And experts are of the opinion that we are in a rising interest rate scenario. If interest rates moves up fast on the credit rating is revised downwards, then there may be mark to market losses. The secondary market for the bonds with less than AA rating is generally illiquid. So even if you wish to take credit risk, be prepared to hold on to the bonds till maturity. So this was all about the Edelweiss Financial Services Limited NCDs 2021. Thank you and have a nice day. Signing off, yourselves.com.